Preparation, splicing, of two cables entering the junction box to connect the receptacle. Choose which ones and open the knockouts in the junction box for the cables. Insert the cables into the knockouts in the junction box and staple them within 12 inches from the junction box. The cables should be between 12 and 18 inches long when they enter the junction box. Remove the jacket from the cables. The sheath, jacket, of the cables should protrude beyond the entrance to the enclosure, junction box, not less than 1/4 inch. Separate the ground wires, bare, from the others and push the ground wires towards the back of the junction box. Twist the ground wires. Hold them in your fist. This gives you a minimum length of 6 inches from the box entrance required, and cut the shorter wire at the front of your fist. Pull the long wire through the green wire nut hole and twist it clockwise. Neatly fold and push the spliced ground wires with the connector into the junction box, leaving the pigtail outside the junction box. Push the remaining wires into the junction box, grab and hold them, then cut them at the front of your fist. Fold the wires and neatly push them into the junction box.